Ready to dive into the wonderful world of watercolor? Get ready to explore 9 easy to understand watercolor techniques, starting with the basics and moving on to some truly unique effects. Let's start with learning the wash technique, also known as covering the paper in an even layer of watercolor. Start by loading your brush with a consistent amount of mixed watercolor. Start at the top of your paper, making continuous horizontal strokes from left to right. Continue this step by adding more even strokes of watercolor until the section is filled. Next is the fade technique. The less water you add to watercolor paint, the darker and bolder the color will be. Start by mixing a bold color and using it to make horizontal strokes across the top of your paper. Immediately after these strokes, quickly rinse your brush in clean water. Gently blot your brush on a paper towel so it's damp, not dripping. Now take the slightly wet brush and make another horizontal stroke, letting it slightly overlap the wet paint from your first stroke. You'll notice the color a bit lighter. Continue this process until your color gradually fades. To create a hard edge where two colors meet, start by dividing your paper into two sections. Apply a wash to one side of the paper with your first color. Let the first color dry completely. Once it's dry, fill the other half of your paper with a different color wash. You'll see a clean, crisp line where the two colors meet. Similar to the last technique, let's create a soft edge where two colors meet. Apply a wash of your first color to one side. Before the paint dries, immediately apply a wash of the different color to the other section, allowing the two wet areas to gently touch and blend. Watch as they merge, creating a soft, smooth transition between the two colors. For the salt technique, apply watercolor to your paper. While the paint is still wet, sprinkle salt onto the painted area. Don't touch it. Let the watercolor dry completely. Once dry, gently brush the salt off the paper. To create the wax resist, start by drawing on the paper with the crayon. Now, apply a wash of watercolor over your crayon drawings. The wax in the crayon will resist the watercolor, creating a barrier that leaves the areas you drew clean. Apply a generous amount of watercolor to your paper. While the paint is still wet, gently lay a piece of crumpled up plastic wrap over the painted area. Press it down lightly so it makes contact with the wet paint, creating wrinkles and folds. Do not remove the plastic wrap until the watercolor is completely dry. Once dry, peel off the plastic wrap to reveal the textures. Wet the area of your watercolor paper where you want the burst to happen with just plain water. Now load your brush with a concentrated amount of watercolor paint and gently dab the tip of your brush onto the wet paper. The paint will spread and burst into the wet area, creating unpredictable bursts of color. Mix up some watercolor paint onto your palette. You will want a slightly watery consistency, but not too thin. Load your brush with the mix. Now hold your brush over the paper and gently tap it against your hand or flick the bristles with your fingers. Tiny droplets of paint will splatter onto the paper, creating an abstract speckled effect. When removing tape from your watercolor painting, gently pull the tape at a low angle to prevent paper tears or the risk of removing small pieces of the paper.